Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences in English. School. I go to school every day. Bus. I go to school by bus. Family. There are 4 members in my family. Friend. Ram is my friend. Pen. I write with a pen. Doctor. Doctor treats sick people. Car. We travel by car. Park. I go to park with my parents. Lotus. Lotus is my favorite flower. Games. I play games with my friends. Ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. Chair. This is a chair. House. My house is very beautiful. Teacher. We should respect our teacher. Book. This is my English book. Country. India is our country. Tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Horse. Horse runs very fast. Pencil. I write with a pencil. Mother. I love my mother very much. Father. My father is my superhero. Comb. I comb my hair. Iron. I iron my clothes. Black. This goat is black. New. I have a new bag. I say hello. Please, please fix it. Under. He was sleeping under the tree. Who? Who will play with me? Sky. The color of sky is blue.